Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best thumb knife is probably one of the most innovative and practical tools for any gardener looking to streamline their harvesting and pruning tasks, offering a unique and efficient alternative to traditional methods. This clever gadget, worn on your thumb, allows for precise cutting of stems, vines, and even tough-skinned fruits and vegetables with unparalleled ease and speed, making your gardening chores significantly less strenuous and more enjoyable. Imagine effortlessly snipping away at your plants, feeling like a true horticultural expert with this simple yet effective accessory that promises to revolutionize your gardening experience. Number 5. NoCry Superior Heavy-Duty Cut-Resistant Work Gloves. Introducing our heavy-duty work gloves, engineered with the highest level 5 cut protection. They are designed to shield your hands from sharp blades and knives, ensuring maximum safety. Crafted from a robust blend of stainless steel, high-performance polyethylene, glass fiber, and spandex, these gloves are tough, durable, and flexible. They are built to withstand demanding tasks. Experience superior comfort with our breathable material, perfect for extended wear. Whether you're working on crafts, gardening, or in a warehouse, they remain comfortable without irritating your skin. Equipped with silicone grip dots, these gloves provide an exceptional hold on everyday objects. Safely handle glass or ensure a steady grip while working on projects. These gloves are ideal for a wide range of activities, including construction, landscaping, wood carving, and kitchen tasks. They offer reliable protection for both men and women. What we like. These gloves offer the highest level of cut protection, making them ideal for handling sharp objects. If you work with knives, glass, or in construction, you need the superior hand defense. Choose them for unparalleled safety when dealing with hazardous materials. What people say. It is very easy to use and clean. This product is very sharp and easy to cut. It is very comfortable to wear and does not slip. Number 4. Claw Gardening Gloves for Women. Meet your new favorite gardening companion, designed specifically for women. These gloves offer the perfect blend of flexibility and strength for all your planting needs. Crafted with premium rubber latex and polyester, they provide exceptional durability. The puncture-resistant design shields your hands from thorns and sharp tools, ensuring safety. Enjoy a comfortable gardening experience with the breathable fabric on the back of the hand, which reduces sweating. The stretchy material ensures a snug, non-slip fit. These gloves are designed for ultimate convenience. They are easy to maneuver in tight spaces and even easier to clean, just rinse and they dry quickly. Ideal for backyard gardeners and plant enthusiasts, these are perfect for both indoor and outdoor potting. Experience the ultimate gardening companion. With a full length of 10 inches and a 3.2-inch middle claw, they offer excellent dexterity. The stretchy wrist and palm ensure a secure fit that stays in place. What we like. These gloves feature integrated claws for easy digging and planting. If you're a passionate gardener who loves working with soil and plants, these are perfect for you. Opt for them to make your gardening tasks more efficient and enjoyable. What people say. The silicone thumb knife is designed with a sharp blade that easily cuts through stems and small branches. It provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing slippage during use. The tool is lightweight and flexible, allowing for precise maneuvering around delicate plants. Number 3. Garden Silicone Thumb Knife. Introducing an innovative thumb knife, designed to make harvesting your garden's bounty a breeze. It's the perfect tool for picking and pruning with ease. Each set comes with 2 silicone thumb knives and 2 protective anti-cut finger covers. A convenient storage bag is also included to keep everything organized. This tool is ideal for a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, from delicate strawberries to sturdy branches. Increase your efficiency with one-handed picking and trimming. Experience ultimate comfort with our specially designed silicone finger sleeve. Its unique elasticity ensures a snug and comfortable fit for extended use. When not in use, please clean the blade cover and store it safely away from children. This ensures peace of mind for everyone. What we like. This tool allows for one-handed picking and trimming, significantly boosting your efficiency. If you frequently harvest fruits and vegetables or prune small branches, this is a must-have. Select it to speed up your harvesting and pruning tasks with ease. What people say. The silicone thumb knife is designed to protect your fingers from cuts and scratches while harvesting. It features a sharp blade that easily cuts through stems and vines, making harvesting more efficient. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Number 2. Garden Guru Hori Gardening Knife. Introducing the Garden Guru Hori Knife, your all-in-one solution for gardening tasks. It's designed to handle everything from weeding to digging and pruning with ease. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel with a full-tang blade, this tool is built for strength and durability. Its versatile design includes features for scooping, cutting, sawing, and even measuring planting depths. Experience superior comfort with its tropical rose hardwood handle, offering an incredible grip that is also decay-resistant. It's a perfect addition to your gardening or camping gear. This isn't just for gardeners, it's an essential tool for camping, hiking, metal detecting, and survival kits. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves the outdoors. We stand by our products with a lifetime warranty and a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. You can trust in its lasting quality. Garden Guru is committed to sustainability, using recycled materials and offsetting carbon emissions. We are proud members of 1% for the planet, helping to protect the environment. What we like. This is an all-in-one tool designed for a variety of gardening tasks, from digging to sawing. If you're looking for a versatile and robust tool for your garden, camping, or survival kit, this is it. Consider it for its exceptional utility and long-lasting quality. What people say. The silicone thumb knife is designed with a sharp blade that easily cuts through stems and branches. It features a comfortable and adjustable strap, ensuring a secure fit on your thumb. The durable silicone material provides a good grip and protects your thumb from accidental cuts. Number 1. ELK Gardening Gloves with Claws, Teal. Introducing the ELK Gardening Gloves with Claws, designed for effortless gardening. These gloves make planting and digging a breeze. Featuring built-in claws, these gloves allow for quick digging and planting. Say goodbye to the hassle of using separate tools for every task. Don't let wet soil or sharp objects stop you. Our gloves are fully waterproof and puncture-resistant, protecting your hands in any condition. Designed for a universal fit, these gloves comfortably accommodate most hand sizes. Enjoy a secure and snug fit every time you garden. Crafted for durability and comfort, these gloves are your perfect gardening companion. They are built to last through countless gardening seasons. Add a touch of style to your gardening routine with the vibrant teal color. Look good while you get your hands dirty. What we like. These gloves are built for tough gardening jobs, offering waterproof protection and built-in claws for digging. If you need reliable hand protection that can handle wet conditions and rough soil, these are the ones. Choose them for durability and ease of use in all your outdoor projects. What people say. The silicone thumb knife is designed with a sharp blade that easily cuts through stems and branches. It features a comfortable and adjustable strap, ensuring a secure fit on your thumb. The durable silicone material provides excellent grip and protects your fingers from accidental cuts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.